Good afternoon, everyone. We are presenting personal computer disassembly. Step 1, unplugging. The first thing you can do is to unplug every cable that is plugged into your computer. That includes cables such as power, USB, mouse, keyboard, internet, Ethernet, modem, AM or FM antenna, cable, TV, or etc.
On most computer cases, there will be large knobs that you can unscrew by hand or by screwdriver on the back right side of the computer. Screws because on that side you can't access much on the inside. Step 3. Removing the system fan. First, unplug the fan from the motherboard. You can find the plug by following the wire from the fan. It should be labeled as SYS fan 1. Next, you will have to unscrew the fan from the outside. You should now able to lift the fan out of the PC. Step 4. Removing the CPU fan. The CPU fan is located right on top of the CPU heatsink, which is a large piece of metal with pins on the top. The CPU fan plugs into the motherboard in an awkward place. That is hard to access, but just follow the wires and you should easily find it. It is labeled CPU fan 1. To remove the fan from the heatsink, remove the 4 screws securing it in place. Power supply. The first thing to do is unplug every wire coming from the power supply. You must disconnect the motherboard, very large connector plug, CD/DVD drives power, internal hard drive power, and portable hard drive slot power. Once everything is unplugged, unscrew the 4 screws holding the power supply in place on the back of the computer. Next, push the power supply from the outside and then lift it out. CD/DVD drives. First, unplug the ribbon from the back of the drive. Once that is completed, pull the stub securing the drive in place, then push it out from the inside. Step 7. Hard drive. First, unplug the connector at the back of the slot and unplug the other end from the motherboard. Also unplug the SATA cable from the motherboard and the hard drive. The portable hard drive slot is secured the same way the CD or DVD drive is, with a tab. Pull on the tab, then slide the slot out. Memory RAM. To remove the RAM, push down both tabs holding the RAM in place, which are located both ends of the RAM. 9. 9. Motherboard. The motherboard has 7 screws holding it to the frame, which are indicated by large white circles around them. Remove them and then lift the motherboard out of the frame.
Now, we're in personal computer assembly. Now that you have the skill in disassembling a personal computer, I believe that you are ready to take another step of this, which is assembling a personal computer. All you need to do is to follow the step-by-step procedure provided in.
Step 2. Prepare the motherboard. Step 3. Install the CPU. Step 4. Install the CPU heatsink. Step 5. Install the memory RAM modules. Step 6. Place the motherboard into the case. Step 7. Connect the power supply. Step 8. Install graphics or video cards. Step 9. Install internal drives.
Thank you, pre, ah.
Step 10. Install the add-in card.